What we're going to do today is an isometric ellipse, and there's a very specific way that you have to enter into creating an ellipse in isometric, and there's a very specific way to trim one up. So you're going to get some drawings where you're going to see curved angles, curved edges to these drawings, and you will see little arrows pointing to them, and they might say 1.5 R. That stands for 1.5 radius. So the 1.5 is the units of measure, and the R stands for radius. Some of them you will see diameter. Diameter is the length from one side of a circle to the other equal side of the circle, and radius is the point from the middle of the circle to the edge of the circle. So here is how you do a radius. The majority of the drawings we're going to do a radius. So here is how you do a radius. I've started with just a simple box here, and here is how I'm going to turn this cornered edge in here into a 1.5 radius rounded edge. I'm going to start in the corner, so I'm going to go down 1.5 at 270 degrees, and now I'm going to go over this way 330 degrees, 1.5 again, 1.5 at 330, and that is where my circle is going to go. So I'm going to put my ellipse right here, so I'm going to type EL, just press enter. Now the next thing you have to do is press I for isometric, otherwise it's going to be a flat ellipse. So you have to press I for isometric and then press enter. And now click here, and now you're going to have to indicate what the radius is of your ellipse. So in this case it's 1.5. So now you see I got into the middle of the where the radius needs to be by going down from the corner of 1.5 and going over 1.5 to put an ellipse that is 1.5. If this ellipse was 6.5, we would have went down 6.5 units, and we would have went into the drawing at 330 degrees, 6.5 units, and put the ellipse there. So now I'll show you how to clean this up and round the edges. So just press TR for enter, or for trim, and I'm going to press enter twice, and I'm simply going to cut away the parts of the drawing that I don't need. And then for these, I'm just going to delete them. Okay, I guess I can trim that out. Trim, trim, and then I'll delete this. So now I'm going to make a drawing of the same. I'm going to, if this object goes over, let's say 7 units at 30 degrees, I need to put the other side of the drawing. I'm just going to copy this whole thing that I've drawn. Type copy. And now I'm going to indicate that I want to copy this edge to this part right here. And now we need a seamless transition from this into here to connect these edges. So from here on the back side I can connect the edges like this, and then I can go ahead and delete this line to get it out of the way, and I'm going to trim this line right here just to get it out of the way. And now what I need to do, I'm going to add a line back in. I'm going to kind of do this the bad way. I should know what this is, but I'm just going to draw these lines intersecting here. And from this point, I'm going to go back down because I need to get back into the center of this. If I click on this, it will take me here, but I don't think that I can activate the line tool there. No, so I need that point again. So I'm going to go down 1.5 at 270. I should have cleaned this drawing up in the very end. So 1.5 now at 330 degrees. And now I will connect these back through there. And let's see if this is the angle that I need to seamlessly. Yep. I will connect them right there. So seamlessly, it looks like that angle that we originally made, cutting through here at, what is that angle? 120 degrees is the angle that we needed. So when I trim this out, it should be nice and seamless. I cut this off. Now I need to trim that. And now get rid of this. And there is a drawing that has 1.5 radius, chamfered edges, and with a seamless transition into the other side. Okay, so let's do another example here.